Porter Cable 20V Max * Cordless Brad Nailer Kit with 1 battery, 18GA. 100% battery power of the cordless brand nailer eliminates need for compressor, hose or costly gas cartridges. Motor design of 18-gauge Brad nailer provides consistent firing power into various materials and climate conditions. Multiple tool-free settings of the battery Brad nailer provide ease of use. BHTOP 20V Cordless Brad Nailer Stapler, 18-gauge 2-in-1 Stapler Kit, Heavy Finish Nail Gun with 2.0A rechargeable battery, charger, 2500 PCS nails and 500 PCS staples. Widely used, compatible with nail and staple, ideal for a range of materials and applications and satisfies your different need in nailing. Suitable brad nails, 5/8" 1-1/4 18-gauge. Suitable staples, 5/8 1 18-gauge. Humanized design, integrated efficient air compressor, wireless use, lightweight, malfunction indicator LED, non-slip rubber handle and portable hook design make it perfect for any work scene. Any question, please contact us, we will solve it as soon as possible. Impact Force Adjustment Mechanism. With tool-free impact force adjustment, this nail gun can provide precise countersinking of nails for a wide variety of finish applications. 2.0 A removable battery can work 400 to 500 nails. With LED lighting to challenge a variety of dark environments. THINKWORK 20V 18-gauge Cordless Brad Nailer, durable nail gun battery-powered, 2-in-1 dual mode, with powerful battery and fast charger, 1000 nails, single or contact firing for woodworking, renovation. 2-in-1 in dual mode. This nail gun has passed THINKWORK's quality and safety inspection, and has a beautiful appearance. Both the power of nail shooting and compatibility have been recognized. 18GA nails of any brand, 1-5/8" 40mm, gauge light duty staple 2, 50mm, gauge brad nail. WORKSITE Cordless Brad Nailer / Stapler Kit with 1000 PCS nails and 1000 PCS staples for home improvement, woodworking upgraded version. High performance drives a range of 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8" 1-1/4 and staple from 5/8 1. Cordless design. Since operated by the lithium-ion battery, this cordless brad nailer will let you get rid of the hassle of using compressor, hose or costly gas cartridges. Built-in LED light. Multifunctional LED light helps to provide both workspace illumination and tool diagnostics. 2.0A battery is featured with charging and discharging protection, which makes charging extremely safe and battery more durable.